Hey y'all, Edward the Lego Texan here with another speed build for you. And today we're building set 43262, Maleficent and Cruella De Vil's dresses from Lego Disney. 524 pieces, and this was a gift for my daughter for her birthday recently. And she's requested that I build this for my channel. And this is an interesting little sub thing that they started with Lego Disney. There's another one of this that's Cinderella's dress, but this is a 2-pack of, obviously Maleficent and Cruella De Vil's dresses on like a display stand. It's a unique concept for Lego. Interested to see what it looks like when it's all put together. Yeah, so let's get to it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my review of the Maleficent and Cruella De Vil's dresses from Lego Disney. We'll start with the minifigs, mini dolls, I should actually say, because that's what's included in this one. We get one of Cruella De Vil, and we get a fabric coat as opposed to molded plastic. You know, it's a little weird. It is double-sided. You gotta make sure you put the right side on the right side. This side is very, very soft, so make sure that's the outside one. Looks interesting on her. I love the dual molded hairpiece. Pretty cool. She also includes a little Dalmatian puppy right there. We also get a Maleficent. I actually like this one a lot better than Cruella. Still that Disney mini doll style, but I like the design of this one a lot better. The cape especially is really cool, like that way it's cut. And her, we also get the little Diaval, little bird minion thing that always travels with her. Now, as far as the actual build goes, I'm going to start with the first one in the set, which was the Cruella dress. Printed pieces, there's no stickers in this set at all, so everything that has a picture on it is printed, including the skirt and the Cruella dress. It's an interesting direction that they went with this sub-theme. They've also got the one with like Cinderella's dress, I believe, but we don't have that one. My daughter wanted the villains one. She loves Disney villains. It's an interesting design. It looks good. I mean, for what it is, it's like a dress on a mannequin. So it's done well for that expectation. And then of course the Maleficent dress is much more black colors, wings on it. I love the glitter trans corner wedges down here. All over around the skirt, all the way around. It's really cool. Love those parts. And then the last part of the build was actually the base, which I currently have the Cruella dress attached to, because one thing that's kind of not so good for this set, it's good for display, but if you want to change things up, it takes a little bit of muscle to take this thing apart without it coming apart. So I have to be very, very careful. I discovered you have to take off the actual dress from here, this little Technic axle right here, and then pull off the base if you want to change displays, so without breaking it. The display itself is really cool. We have a printed plate of Maleficent on one side, Cruella De Vil on the other. The design on top here, there's actually multiple designs in the instruction manual. There's multiple ways you could customize this top with these purple pieces right here. My daughter ended up choosing this one. I asked her before I built it. She wanted this one, which is actually the one in the actual instructions, not one of the alternates. You have little compartments on both ends for minifigure storage on both sides. Pretty cool. I like that a lot. This is not a design or a set that I would personally have bought for myself, but this was for my daughter, and she asked me to build this for the channel, so I did. It's an interesting experience. I have a lot of mixed feelings about this, as you just heard. So that concludes my review of this set. Thank you for watching, and if you like what you've seen, please like this video and subscribe for more content. Please also consider following me on my other socials: TikTok, Instagram, Blue Sky, Clapper, and Threads, all of which are linked in the description below. And that'll do it for today, guys. Keep on building. Bye.